If you have a normal TV and you want to make it smart, then here I have for you the Xiaomi's Mi Box 3, which can do something similar to it. So in today's video, let's unbox it and see how it can make your TV smart. Hello guys, I am Saptarshi Mitro. You are watching Savvy Tech, and now without any further delay, let's get started. So here I have the Mi box which I bought from AliExpress for almost about $55, and at the top we can see some of its key features, and to the right we can see the steps to connect this box with your TV, and to the left the box content, which includes the Mi box, the remote, the HDMI cable and the power adapter with the Android TV branding. At the back we can see some more features like it supports DTS, digital audio output and Dolby audio. It also has Google Cast inbuilt with Google Voice Search. It has 4K Ultra HD support plus HDR, and it has quad-core CPU with pentacore GPU. And it comes with 2 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage. Now let's peel the plastic off and have a closer look at its box content. Opening up the box, we get to see the main unit itself. Keeping this aside for the time being, and now let's have a look at the accessories. First of all, we get some manuals for this MI box, warranty guide, and some more paperwork. And this is the HDMI cable which we get with this MI box. And this is the power adapter which has an output rating of 5.2 volt and 2.1 amps. Now let's move to the last accessory of this box, which is the MI remote. It works on Bluetooth, which means you don't always have to point this remote towards the MI box to get it work. And at the top we get the microphone for the voice command. At the bottom there is nothing as such, and this remote doesn't come with any battery, so you have to buy it separately. And now let's move to the main unit, which is the Mi box itself. Holding it for the first time, it gives a plasticky feeling, but again it's made up of good quality plastic. And at the bottom we get a rubber grip so that it doesn't slip off the table. At the back we get the power input, USB 2.0, HDMI and our audio output. And that's all for the unboxing and the first impression. Now we are going to boot this MI box for the first time. So now the Mi box is booting up. And before using this Mi box you have to complete this setup. Connect your remote with the Mi box as shown in the screen. Once it is done, now select the language. And now select your Wi-Fi and enter the password. You can also log in your Gmail account using your phone or laptop, but for now I am going to log in using my email and password. After completing the setup, you will directly go to the home screen. So now we are in the home screen of this Mi box, and if we go to the setting, And the storage, we can see that we get only 5 GB of storage. It comes with Marshmallow 6.0.1 out of the box. The audio update has already been released and you can update it as soon as you set up your device. YouTube comes pre-installed in it where you can search and stream media. It also comes with inbuilt support for Google Cast. To cast your screen, you have to open a video in your phone, and on the top right corner you will see a cast option, and just click on it and select the device. The video will start running on your Android TV. So that's all for the unboxing and the setup, and thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel so that you don't miss any video. Thank you.